Number 7.
Afix is a magnetic sleeve that is ideal for bottles of all shapes and sizes carried around the world. Whether you're hitting the gym hard, playing at the park, cooking out, or taking the kids to the store, Afix works for you everywhere.
Hi everyone, I'm Sean Hansel and I'm the founder of Attract Iron and creator of Afix. While living a healthy lifestyle and spending countless hours in the gym, I continue to run into the same problem over and over again. From being too tired after a set to reach down and grab my bottle, from being too lazy to setting the bottle on a bench, lastly, spilling my bottle regularly and constantly leaving it in the gym, I was sick and tired of living with shaker problems. So I decided to come up with a fix, so I created Afix. Afix is a magnetic bottle sleeve that is ideal for gyms and fitness centers all across the world. With its patent-pending simplistic design, industrial strength magnetic grip, and its flexible, adjustable, yet durable band, Afix is equipped to carry the load of any size shaker or water bottle thrown its way. If you've been living with shaker problems like I did and are fed up like the rest of us, why not try Afix? Once you try it, you won't ever leave home without it. You'll realize how simple, convenient, and even fun how many other uses you will find throughout your daily life. It doesn't matter whether you're an IFBB pro bodybuilder, a personal trainer, an avid CrossFitter, or just someone getting back in the gym. The fact of the matter is, you need to hydrate, and if you have a bottle, then you need Afix.
Number 6.
Hi, I'm Brandon Charlson, 13 years Air Force and CrossFit Level 2 trainer.
And I'm John Reyes, 12 years Marine Corps, CrossFit Level 2 trainer and owner of CrossFit Valley Springs in Northern California.
And we've developed the world's first collapsible shaker bottle.
We call it the GoPuck, the Personal Utility Collapsible Canteen.
In our experience, we have found shaker bottles to be difficult to clean, hard to mix supplements, they're noisy, not durable, and they can also leak over time.
With the GoPuck, we designed it with all these issues in mind. We designed with a round bottom, a round top, a drop-in fan blade agitator. It's completely microwave safe, dishwasher safe, and it can be frozen.
It's designed to fit in cup holders of all sizes.
And the finger loop can be used to attach to any rucksack, backpack, or travel bag. When collapsed, the GoPuck can fit into even the most overstuffed bag.
We've designed the GoPuck to hold all hot and cold beverages such as coffee, tea, protein shakes, beer, or wine,
and any mixed drinks.
And it'll collapse into the size of a hockey puck. We designed the GoPuck to meet the needs of all military, athletes, outdoors, and anyone who is looking for a quality product.
Number 5.
Hi, I'm Lucas. I'm from Switzerland, but this is not about cheese. In sports, you want to leave as little as possible to chance. You want to optimize the way you train, the way you regenerate, the way you eat, the way you drink. And drinking has a massive effect on your performance. So why do we settle for water that tastes bad, contaminated by a plastic bottle? Now, a metal bottle or a glass bottle might give you a better taste, but it's too heavy. It's too much of a distraction when you have to unscrew it. It slows you down. You want to keep your pace, right? Keep your focus. Also, you see, I'm a team player, and in every good team, you share your bottle. But then, it's very important you can have contactless drinking for hygienic reasons. So you want to squeeze the bottle to push the water out. Everybody has this amazing equipment. Everything's high-tech, but then we drink from the cheap plastic bottles. Our water deserves better. We deserve better. Many told me it's not possible, but I kept going, looking for the right technology, looking for the right people, and here we are. The world's first squeezable metal bottle, Kigo. Born in Switzerland, designed in Vienna, produced in Denmark. And that's where the magic happens.
A groundbreaking layering process makes it possible to create a titanium that's super light, extremely durable, and most of all, flexible. By the way, the company mastering this process is also renowned for producing accelerator parts for CERN.
Number 4.
Your body can do amazing things, but as little as 2% loss in its water content causes lack of concentration, headaches, and even overeating. And when you think about it, when was the last time you took a sip of water?
Hi! We created a smart water bottle because we believe it can help you feel so much better.
Running around our busy days, we have a ton of things to worry about, so it can easily happen we forget to drink enough water.
But we have solution, we have technology to prevent this.
Meet Aqua.
Aqua calculates your daily water needs based on your body and lifestyle. It glows every time you should take a sip of water and a moment for yourself. The bottle is designed to communicate with you. It allows you to check your hydration progress with a smart gesture on the bottle. You can find even more of your hydration insights in the app. Carry your Aqua bottle everywhere, and the double wall insulation will keep the water cold or hot wherever you go. It's made of stainless steel and comes with a real marble top.
Number 3.
We all know how important water is to health, wellness, fitness, and weight loss. We carry water bottles everywhere, but we know we still don't drink enough water to meet our goals. But what if a smart water bottle could track our water consumption and report it to an app or a fitness dashboard? What if that water bottle could remind us to keep drinking? Introducing Aquitania, the world's smartest water bottle. Aquitania tracks your consumption at any angle and reports it wirelessly to our app or to your Fitbit or Apple Health dashboard. Aquitania gives you reminders when you're not on track and adjusts your target goals based on fitness activity or weather conditions. And Aquitania is designed for your active life. It's durable, recharges wirelessly without batteries or plugs, is easily washable without disassembly, and is endlessly compatible with the fitness counters on your phone or your wrist. No need to check your phone. Give Aquitania a shake, and red, yellow, green lets you know if you need to drink more. Aquitania is the first smart water bottle that can be used just like the water bottle you use today. Rain or shine, drop it on the sideline, stuff it in your backpack, carry it on your bike. Aquitania can also tell us whether a child or an elderly loved one is drinking enough water.
Number 2.
Training for that half? I bet you're very thirsty. Think twice before you reach for that single-use bottle. That's a lot of plastic you're using. How about a more sustainable choice? Ugh. Doesn't exactly smell of meadows, right? How long is it since you washed that bottle? These are the germs in your unwashed bottle. Bacteria can double every 20 minutes, leaving it dirtier than your dog bowl or your Lucid. Perhaps you'd like to wash that bottle before you use it. There you go. Ooh, just get right on in there. How's that hand yoga working out? Go on, go ahead. Give it a sniff. So you want clean, perfectly fresh-tasting water. How about a bottle that cleans itself? We've created the Lark bottle, the world's first self-cleaning bottle with on-the-go water purification. Lark uses UV light to break up the DNA of harmful odor-causing bacteria. Hospitals have been using the same UV light to quickly and safely sterilize operating rooms for the past decade. We've scaled this LED technology to fit inside this cap. Imagine a pitcher of questionable water. Lark starts working at the touch of a button, and in 60 seconds, you've got pristine drinking water. Lark works automatically in the background, 6 times a day to keep your bottle and water crystal clean. And Lark is 100% BPA-free stainless steel. It's vacuum sealed and double insulated, so it stays cold for 24 hours and hot for 12 hours and never breaks a sweat. Ah, there's no hydro challenge Lark can't handle. Whether you're bopping around town, training for your next triathlon, or on an expedition to the summit, Lark is always working hard so you don't have to, keeping your water fresh and your bottle clean and stink-free. So help make the perfect water bottle a reality and never ever worry about that stinky bottle again.
Number 1.
We make water purifiers for international travelers and outdoor explorers so their adventures can be safe, self-reliant, and sustainable. Until now, travelers have relied almost exclusively on single-use bottles for hydration, which are expensive, wasteful, and almost never recycled. There is a better way. Meet GeoPress, an astonishingly easy, supremely effective water purifier designed for adventure travel anywhere, worldwide. GeoPress is perfectly sized, extremely portable, compact, and the user experience, it's second to none. Simply fill, press, drink. We've revolutionized the water purifier. It works on every continent, whether a murky river near Mount Kilimanjaro, a sketchy tap in a Guatemalan hostel, or hiking the Pacific Crest Trail near our Seattle home. The secret sauce is GeoPress's patented design, which is powered by your body weight, so it's fast, really fast. It provides complete protection against all waterborne pathogens, even virus. And it makes water taste great, filtering out pollutants like chemicals, heavy metals, and microplastics. Here's a closer look at GeoPress. TopoGrip, tactile, non-slip material strategically placed on all heavy-use surfaces. Simple vent spout cap allows you to press and purify with the cap on. Simply twist the cap 1/2 turn to allow air to escape during purification. Soft press pads provide an ergonomic, comfortable pressing surface. The result? Incredibly fast purification that even a child can press. Grail purifiers have hydrated over 100,000 adventures, won awards, and earned over 500 5-star reviews. Since our community was vital, providing not just resources, but incredibly useful feedback that guided our GeoPress design process. We could not have done this without the community.